Hello, dear friends. Today, as always, focus today will be for three trading instruments: the euro against the New Zealand dollar, the euro against the US dollar, and the pound against the US dollar. Medium-term focus. So, let's begin. Euro versus New Zealand dollar. Here you see an all-time classic. Well, rather beautiful, agree? You and I had a medium-term uptrend. And this trend, of course, had a trend line that represented the support level, which at the moment is already the resistance level after this intersection. And we have two options for the development of events. The first, it can be a false intersection and the price that returns above the trend line, which will again become the support level, will go to check the maximum value at 175.90. And the price to testing the level of 174.58 will upfold and go to the level of 173.02, which is already a support level. But we have a very big plus. In principle, we predict that the price will return, that the price will slightly adjust upwards, where difference we will catch sales using various patterns. Candle patterns, indicator patterns, but with the help of patterns, we will catch sales. Consider the following currency instrument, the euro against the US dollar. Purchases. Start purchasing now. Friends, everything here is very clearly visible in the shops. We have a great support area from which you can buy. And you see that at first this zone was a zone of resistance. After the breakthrough, it became a zone of support. After another breakthrough, it became a zone of resistance, and again, at the moment of breaking this zone, it became a zone of support. Therefore, we will buy, dear friends. We will buy on various candles, indicators or technical figures. Again, it does not matter which one, and at least with a target at the level of 111.12, but most likely this level will be broken and tested in a downtrend, which will be very likely that the breakthrough will occur and the price will go higher, and then testing for a return is already at the support level and will proceed to testing this trading zone here, where we have a resistance zone where the price will go further. And now we move on to the medium-term forecast for the pound against the US dollar. Yes, you see a lot of lines here, a lot of signatures, but for the simple reason that this is a medium-term forecast, and this is per clarity. We have one line of resistance, this is a second, and it is very strong. You see that earlier it acted as resistance, then it acted as support, and at the moment this line is again resisting. And interestingly, these two lines converge here in these resistance zones. Let's say that around 123.90, you already need to keep your finger on the pulse, and the medium-term forecast looks something like this. It is forecasted that the pound will fall against the US dollar here in this volatile support zone limited by levels 119.21, 121.27, and from this zone, in principle, we turn to buy anywhere and go to the resistance zone at least 123.90. Dear friends, please follow our further forecast for the pound against the US dollar, because when the price comes to this support zone, we will write your thoughts and where we think that the best turn will be in the bullish direction. And that's it for today, dear friends. Thank you all and bye-bye.